Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to create Facebook Reels with Canva. Now, the best part about using Canva for Facebook Reels is it's just so easy with its gorgeous templates, or you can design your own from scratch, but I'm going to teach you how to do both today. Now, one way you can access the Facebook Reels is to just type in Facebook Reels, make sure templates is selected, and it's going to give you all these beautiful suggestions for Facebook Reels. Now, if you do that, you're going to have to sort them. Here are the categories: education, marketing, or you can click on filters, and as you can see, there are 250,000 plus. So if you go under there, you can select fun. See, that's 7,000. I suggest that we go back home and we click on mobile video and we type in what we want. Of course, they're going to give us some suggestions here: birthday, travel, but let's say we want to make a Father's Day reel. To make sure you have a reel, make sure it has a play button, because some don't. Some are just stories. They're static. So let's click on this one, and this will bring you up to a video editor. Now I'm going to click on this picture in the middle of it, and this is a frame. Let me show you why I say it's a frame. If you hit delete, you have a choice of delete video or delete frame. So if I take the video off, it's going to have this frame. Anytime you see the rolling hills, the blue sky, the cloud, that means you can put a picture or a video into it. So we have two choices here. We can put a video into it or just a picture, and it's still going to be an animation. Now you can upload your own, and you do that by clicking uploads, and you could put your own picture or video into it. Now, if you just want to say Happy Father's Day, general Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, click on Elements. Let's put father and daughter. They also have father and son, mom and dad. Here's some good choices for father and daughter. And I'm going to take this video and drag it into my frame. It's a little off center, so I'm going to double click it and move it over till it's centered. Let's pick another one. Let's do a birthday one this time. Okay, I'm going to click on that. And let's say we like everything about it except the little girl's birthday. We're going to double click on that, and we're going to write Molly. Maybe we don't like the font under Molly, and we're going to click on that once. Look at these recommended fonts. So let's pick something light. Let's pick Babus New and increase the size and line it up. Now let's find another little girl. So we click on Elements and type in girl and go down to photos. Now we want maybe a little girl, so here's a cute one. Let's drag and drop her into the frame. Now we can't just click her once or she's going to be out of the frame. We have to drag and drop her. And see, she is in a video, so we hit play and we can see how the whole video is animated. Now you can make one from scratch, and I'll show you how to do that. Just click on mobile video and it's going to be the right size for you. And then you can upload your own picture, add text by clicking the text box. Now if you don't like that font, we can pick another one here. Here's your recommended fonts. Let's do League Spartan. It's nice and bold. Now let me show you one thing. When you click on your text and it's not showing up very well, let's add an effect around it. So click Effects, and the best way to make this text show up is to add a background. So you click on Backgrounds, and if you don't like that color, let's make that white. And we're just going to have some fun. Let's scroll back up and adjust the roundness. Okay, see how that made a nice round edge to that? If that's not showing up very well, we can change the color, make it a dark pink. And if you want to change the text color, click this letter with the bar under it, and let's make that white. And I think that does show up better. Now let's see, what do we want it to say? We can still make it Happy Birthday. Now, it's not going to do anything because this is just a picture. So, ellipses, duplicate page, and let's put another picture on here. Let's go back to our uploads, and we'll add this lady. And I'll make the word ladies, because let's pretend these ladies have the same birthday. Happy birthday, ladies. Of course, that doesn't look great. Let's make it look a little better. Okay, so I'm going to make this first slide only 2 seconds, and we can do that up here. We can click on here with the clock, slide timing down to, how about, 1.5 seconds. And if we want to apply that time to both pages, apply it to all pages, and they're both going to be the same length. So let's play it. Now I'm going to add a transition. So you hold your cursor in between the two frames and click on Add Transition. And you have all kinds of choices. So I'll let you play with these on your own, but I'm going to try slide. Now that's going to give me all kinds of other choices too. Slide left, slide right, slide up. So let's do slide right. And now we've made an animation. We can click on the play and it's going to slide right. Now let's add some music. We're going to go back to Elements, type in birthday, go down to Audio, and it's going to have all kinds of birthday suggestions for us. So let's try it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
And you have your reel. Now you can adjust the sound and the length of each video as you want, but that's the gist of how to make a reel. Now I'll show you how to save. You can share, download. You need to save as an MP4 and both pages, or you can click on share, share on social, and go to your Facebook page or your Facebook story. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found value from it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.